Kanino yung tindahan na yun?
Luwid ka, Yalagyo. Luwid ka.
Ha, kuya.
Okay.
Hindi ako mangkin libre mo.
Guys, this is
Siyang bala.
Luwid ka. Meron ka rin stalls kaya ng Commercial Central. Ano nga pa ba, Luwid ka means?
Long live.
Long live kaya Kapampangan.
Watch our episode.
Wow, ilang episode ito?
Buffet yun niya, buffet only for 285 pesos.
285 pesos kaya ng Commercial Central.
You
Luwid
can
ka.
eat Kapampangan cuisines for 285
Cuisine. Cuisine.
Atsuko pa. Pota, wala na ako pota. So, atsuko yung ini kayong
Central.
Commercial Central. Yes.
Bye na.
O guys, doon tayo ngayon eh.
We're at the CDC Parade Grounds. Kenny Clark, Freeport Zone, Pampanga. Bali yun na siguro na ako rin ni Kenny Dakal
Jogging! Mag-jogging tamo.
Mag-date.
Kunyari
Kaya sa
mag-jogging.
jogging mo eh.
Mag-date.
Kasi paneta mong mamangan, kailangan talang ilaglag din kaya katamong belly fats, you know? Ilang mo ba lang?
But specifically,
Mabilis
we're
matapos.
here. Mga masulo masigla daramdaman nyo ito because there's an event happening here. Na
Grand
mangyari?
opening.
Happening! Duro, duro, duro.
This is Commercial Central.
Commercial Central.
Dakal ko akit Kenny miyaliwaliwa. There's clothes, food, ano pa?
Clothes.
Authentic Kapampangan cuisine. At
Yes.
syempre, we have products coming from Baguio, from the Ilocos region. So kumbaga it's a trade. Eh?
Wow, wow, wow. Bala mo,
Trade center.
expo ya karing aliwaliwang produkto from different parts of the Philippines. And they're very local.
Palit na ako na all. Nalalang grado.
Albania po yung vida local? Albende.
YouTube?
YouTube and Facebook po.
Okay, sige.
Vida local. Mag-enjoy kayo po. Nung ako po mag-enjoy, salwang ko nga po din panty.
Ay! Na-size, na-size!
So yung kasandingan gani, sa serve dala in very neat packages na ibangan ta nung bisa maglibot-libot habang mamangan. Diretso yung bitis ba antay ang kadaragulasan.
Pwede na pang i-serve kayong table.
Wow!
Yung burigo eh.
Thank you very
po,
much po.
Dakal.
Thank you lang. Thank you po. Pag-like po yung guy.
Page.
Page.
Papaliya talaga.
Wapo. Hey, yung over the sweet. Wow.
Favorite ko din yung matcha na yan eh.
How much is this?
Ako na pinabayaran na yan.
99 pesos. Pero
Food is for pamangan.
basta Kapampangan, manyaman, magluto.
Hello. Pwede ka magtakoyaki.
It's great balls of fire.
No, it's the great balls of octopus.
Oh, okay. Kapsi ko na. Ragyo eh. Pieces, takoyaki.
Taco. For 120 pesos.
Put it on the screen.
120.
Don't drink and drive. Muna salty ha. Pero pag titikman mo na when you bite it, when you bite it, atak man kitang sweet. Okay. that's a wrap, guys. If you want to have a taste of the local scene and bisa ko mag-shopping, kibat man yaman yung panahon, you can visit Commercial Central here at CDC Parade Grounds. They're gonna be here until June yata.
June.
Every
June.
weekend, Friday,
Saturday, Sunday.
Alright.
5 p.m. to 12 midnight.
Alright, and nung bisa ako pa mga nining klaseng content, where can you find us?
You can find us on www.facebook.com/WeTheLocal.
And you can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram at We The Local. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe in our YouTube channel, We The Local.
Alright guys, that's a wrap. Luwid ko nga po, nakalatang
Luwid!
salamat.
Do it!